gonna go over how to clean the halibut here. God gave us a perfect design. I'm not sure if you can see it, but all we gotta do is follow his design. There's a line that goes here and straight down. All we gotta do is follow that, come right back up here, come right back up here, make the cuts. We got it. So I just follow that line all the way down. And out. I'm gonna come straight up here. And pull the flesh back, and then just follow the ribs down. And just keep doing that until I've got the whole fillet. Just follow that. Nice piece of meat. Then you can go straight through and straight down. Just want to stay off the belly. Or you can come here. All the way up. Pull the flesh, stay on the side of the bottom of the ribs. Another good piece of meat. And then we have the cheek meat here. You can get too if you want. This guy's a little small for the cheek meat, but that's the process I do. Just dig the knife straight in, come all the way around, bada boom, bada bang. Then flip it over, same process. After you've got that done, get a little piece of meat off so you can get your skin. Just get your knife, and you're gonna run it straight down. If you get digging too deep into the skin, turn your knife. If you get too deep in the skin, turn your knife back up. If you get too high, just turn your knife back down. And just keep running it through.